long ago. He's running for a concert, relationship. They move it, lip. Hot come we have a good trip.
I'm on the floor, floor. I love to dance, so give me more, till I can't stand. I'm on the floor, floor. I do wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, red sheets, skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. When you think you're going,
We're higher
than a
Wala pa. Happy birthday, Lai. Una sa lahat, gusto kong sabihin, ay wala pala akong speech, girl. Sorry. Joke lang yun. Pero wala, girl. Totoo. Serious. Happy birthday. Tapos, wish you all the best yun naman lagi. The best. I mean, the best na para life, love, tsaka career. Yun. Tsaka, wish ko, sana after dito, maging okay yung next destination mo. I mean, natin lahat. And, this will be your last birthday na nandito ako. I mean, magkakasama tayo ulit. Ayun. Sana, kung maghiwalay man tayo, sana nandyan pa rin yung friendship. I mean, yung concern, care natin sa isa't isa. Nandyan pa rin yung tie natin, yung knot. Kiss me not. Ano pa ba? Basta girl, happiness, lalo na soon sa married life mo. Hindi, joke lang. Love you, girl. God bless you always. Tapos, naku, may tao sa banyo. Maririnig ako. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for being nice. Tapos, hindi lang sa akin, I mean, sa amin lahat. And, hindi ko to nasabi sa'yo. But, damn, girl, you're the hot nurse in town. So, bye.
Hi, girl. Sexy. Wow, birthday mo ta. Nagulunan ako. Birthday mo na now, girl. Yun, ano ba yung wish ko sa'yo? Well, masasabi ko lang, hindi ko pa masyadong ganun kakilala yung isang sexy na Laila. But all in all, dahil sa pagsasama natin dito, na nakilala kita bilang isang mabait na kaibigan, na sexy, na handang makinig.
Andiyan talaga yung sexy.
Andiyan talaga yung sexy, hindi mawawala yan. Kasi ganito eh. Wala eh. Given, okay? Ayun, when it comes to friendship, alam kong pinapahalagahan mo kung sino man yung mga kaibigan mo, na totoo sa'yo, yun. And nakikita namin kung gaano mo rin minamahal yung pamilya mo. And yung wish ko lang, girl, sana good health, tapos happiness, hindi lang sa love life, kundi sa lahat ng aspect ng life mo. Na yun, sana ma-fulfill mo yung mga dreams mo in life. And kahit eto nga, medyo malapit na kaming exit. So, sana kahit magkahiwalay na tayo, ma-continue pa rin natin yung communication sa isa't isa. Yun lang. And happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lyle. We love you.
Love you.
God bless, girl.
Yes.